This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: account age and follower thresholds, plus no current bans. Once confirmed, open the in-app camera and grant camera and microphone permissions so audio and video stream instantly. Make sure to pick a stable network, Wi-Fi or 5G, to avoid dropped frames. Prepare a short title and a clear topic line. This helps discovery. Now start with a 3-5-minute hook that states what you'll cover, so viewers know why they should stay. You tap Live in the Mode bar, write a concise title, and choose a category to improve reach. Then check your frame, adjust lighting and camera angle, balance microphone gain so speech is clear. Once done, test audio with a quick private recording. Turn on moderation tools, filters, keywords, or trusted moderators to manage chat. Make use of co-hosts, duet invites, and Q&A features to keep interaction dynamic. Pin a clear guideline comment so viewers know how to engage and ask questions. You wrap up by summarizing key points and giving a clear call to action: follow, link, or next stream time. Then stop the live and save the recording for repurposing. After ending, review analytics to learn peak view times and retention. If you experience lag or dropped frames, drop resolution, reconnect to Wi-Fi, or toggle airplane mode to reset 4G/5G quickly. If chat becomes abusive, remove offenders via moderator logs, block repeat violators, and report serious breaches to TikTok for enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.